Hi, I'm David McCurry, Director of Distance Education at USC Upstate, joining this course at OLC, looking into the OSCQR Rubrics. I attended the workshops that Kay Sheldon did at the SAC COC conferences over the last couple of years and started to learn more about the OSCQR Rubrics and their background and how they might be employed. I'm working with our faculty departments here at USC Upstate, trying to implement the OLC Rubrics for a variety of programs on campus. And a little bit about myself. I've been working in educational media and technology for 40 years. Not all of it in online. I've been doing online stuff since about 1998, like a lot of people. Started with WebCT and all of those wonderful products. And now I'm working here directing distance education. I do a lot of interesting other things too. I play music. I'm a jazz and blues harmonica player. I paint pictures. I'm an artist, davidmccurry.net, if you want to look at my website and see my artwork. But that's about it. I'm excited to do this workshop along with a number of my colleagues here at Upstate, and I will see you soon.